Never miss a trading opportunity again. Welcome to this TradingView alerts tutorial for 2026 and beyond. Now it's time to take a look at a feature that is super important, because this feature will make it so that you don't miss any important price movements, or you can actually also use this feature to not miss important indicator signals and much more. And what I'm talking about here is, of course, TradingView alerts. You guys need to be able to set alerts so that you get notified when the price does important things. Maybe the price is breaking a certain level that you have planned, that, when the price breaks this level, I want to buy. And you might not be at the computer all the time, and even if you are at your computer, you might still miss the signals. So now let's take a look at TradingView alerts step by step. And first of all, we have different kinds of alerts, but the first type of alert you need to be able to set is what I call the normal alert. And to set a normal alert, you want to go up here. You can see it says alert right here, and you press on this button. And then a button appears, and since we are on Bitcoin right now, you can see it says create an alert on Bitcoin measured in US dollars. So you can see right here that the symbol here is Bitcoin measured in US dollar. And then you have to choose the condition. So let's say that we want to make an alert when Bitcoin, passes a certain level, a certain price level. Then we want to make sure to first of all choose price right here. Recognize here that you can also use volume. We have a volume indicator on the chart, so you can choose volume as well. But for this alert, let's just choose price. And then you need to choose the condition here. And as you can see, we have multiple different ways here. So we can, for example, choose crossing up. This means that we will get an alert when Bitcoin crosses above a certain level. We have crossing down, meaning that we will get an alert when it crosses below a certain level. But we can also just have that we will get an alert when the price is just in general above a certain level. And we have many different things here, moving up, moving down. We can choose moving up and down a certain percentage. We can choose it, if it moves inside a channel, or so on and so on. But for now, I recommend you guys to play around with this. But for now, let's just choose very simple. We want to choose when Bitcoin crossing above a certain level. Next, we need to choose the value here. And let's, for simplistic sake, since Bitcoin is right now, as you can see, it's trading at around 87,800. Let's say that we want to, for some reason, choose an alert when the price passes above. You can see this high right here. Let's just choose that high, because when it passes above that high, it means that we're creating a new, higher high, potentially being the beginning here of a new trend for Bitcoin. So let's see where this level is at. It's at around, 94,600. Let's use 94,700 here to have some wiggle room. So 94,700. Yes, something like that. Now you can see that when Bitcoin passes above 94,700, we will get an alert, and we can choose here to either trigger it only one time, so we will only get one alert, or we can choose that it happens every time Bitcoin does this. For now, I think it's good enough to only have it happen once. And as for expiration, the standard here, since I'm recording this in very late, it's 28th of December right now, the standard is that the alert will be active for around 1 month. But what you can choose is that you can, where it says open-ended alert, you can cross this one right here. Or actually, it seems like we can't use this on the basic plan. Remember, I'm recording this tutorial on the basic plan, so I can see all the features you can use even on the free version. But this is one of these features that you will need TradingView Premium for. But as I said, guys, earlier in the video, I do have a special link to TradingView. It will be both in the top comment as well as the description. And you can use that link to try out TradingView Premium for free for 30 days. And if you later on decide that you want to upgrade, you will get a $15 bonus. So if you want to try this out, you can choose Premium. But I can just explain that when you use that, your alert will be active forever, or until the alert gets triggered. Real quick, I can also show you, you can choose here a message. So this is what will pop up when this happens. So the standard message here is Bitcoin USD is crossing above that level. I think that's a good enough message, but you can feel free to change to whatever you want. Then you see that we can also choose some different notifications here. So the standard here is that you will get notified in the app, but you can actually also choose more things. So for example, you can choose that you get an email when this happen. So you will get it to the email you signed up with. You can also, you know, play a sound. So maybe you are, you know, day trading and have multiple tabs open. It can be nice to hear a sound. You can choose, you know, that you will get, you know, text and so on and so on. But this is just personal preference. You know, how do you want to get notified when this happens? So make sure to choose all your notification settings and so on and so on. And now we are ready to create this alert. Now, as you can see, we have a new line appearing here on the chart. I hope you can see this dotted line right here. If Bitcoin now passes above this line, we will get this alert. But alright, so now you know how to set, you know, a basic alert. But a question I get asked a lot is, you know, can we set alerts on indicators? And the answer is yes, you can definitely set alerts on indicators, at least most indicators. If there are indicators created by the TradingView community, and some indicators doesn't really make sense, but on many indicators you can. So let's open up one of the most, you know, clear and simple indicators. Let's open up a simple moving average. Let's open up this one right here. And I want to change, you know, a few settings. Let's actually change the length to 50 because I think that makes it much more clearer for educational purposes. And let's also make the line, you know, very thick so you guys can clearly see. So now we have a simple moving average on the chart. Remember, this is just the average price over the last 50 days. And now to set an alert here for the simple moving average, you want to first press left click on the moving average, then you right click, and you can see that here on the top you can see add alert on SMA 50. So you press right there. All right, so now as you can see, a very similar notification box has appeared, but this one is a little bit more complicated to set, so make sure to really pay attention now. So first of all, we have the condition, and you can see that the standard here is to have, you know, an SMA 50. And if we choose SMA 50, which is our current indicator, that means that our alert will based on, you know, when the SMA 50 does something, we will get an alert. So if you, for example, say that we choose SMA 50, we might choose crossing above, and then let's say a value of 91, you know, 91,000 like this. This means that when the simple moving average, so when the blue line itself, so when this blue line moves above 91,000, we will get the alert. And that is definitely an alert you can set, but I think that most people are actually more interested in, you know, for example, when the price moves above a moving average. So, for example, to do that, if you want to set an alert that I want to be alerted when the price moves above the 50 simple moving average, then you need to choose as the condition, you choose the price. Then you choose, so this is the price when it is moving above, so when it's crossing up. And now instead of a value, instead of it crossing a value, we need to choose the SMA 50. So to really hammer this home, this is, we have the price as the condition, so this is what moves. So when the price crosses above the simple moving average of 50, in this case 50 days, we will get notified, and we will get notified once, and we have an expiration date right here. So let's create this alert right here, and unfortunately, once again, to create indicator alerts, it seems like you need the premium plan. I actually thought that you were able to you know, create get notified. Yeah, it seems like you can do this, but at least I showed you guys how to do this. So this is exactly how to do this. But as I said, I do have a link if you want to try out premium for free for 30 days. But now the next thing I want to show you is, where to find your active alerts. And to do that, you want to go right here to where it says alerts. You press right here and you can see that we have our current alerts right here. And you also have a book here with all the triggered alerts. So you can, for example, see that right now we have currently one alert active that will get triggered if Bitcoin crosses above 94,700. Alright, so now let's switch attention to yet another very important tool. Alright, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full TradingView tutorial right here on YouTube. To access the tutorial, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.